it's Lael with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my brand new Happy Day mini book project kit. So we'll first take a look at the completed project, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. All right, so this mini book kit is using the gorgeous Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection from Simple Stories. So this is a little bit larger than 6x8. So 6x8, kind of the inside pages are 6x8. So that'll give you a feel for the size of the album. Includes some fun kind of crocheted ribbon. But as we get going, the color palette in this one is beautiful. Soft pastels and a really beautiful lavender. So as the base of the album, it is using one of the limited edition snap binder colors from Simple Stories, that lilac, which is so beautiful with this collection. And I've just called this Happy Day because it really is kind of an all-purpose mini book. So you could use it to document really any types of beautiful photos. It could be baby shower, it could be bridal shower, it could be Mother's Day, it could be just kind of an everyday thing. It could be sisters or friends or just some of your favorite photos, what have you. So little interactive pockets here so you can tuck in your photos and different memorabilia pieces. Some cute little flips there so you could add your little 2x2 photos underneath those. Lots of interactive. So another pocket here, double layer pocket. And I put the tags kind of inside of those pockets, but you could also add photos there as well. Little interactive piece. And this guy tucks inside of pocket page. So in this particular project, we're modifying a few of the pocket pages a little bit. And that is one way that we are doing so. A little interactive element there. Pocket there on the chipboard divider. So again, you can get a really good feel for the collection. Beautiful color palette. I love the kind of this teal or aqua blue mixed with the lavender, lots of soft pinks, beautiful pink there, another little interactive both here as a pocket and there as a little kind of a little fold out. It's just such a beautiful collection. I had so much fun designing this one. It would be great, even seasonally. It would be great for spring. It would be great for summer. A little doily there. This is kind of a fun little interactive guy. So folds like that and then folds out like that. Here we've modified a pocket page as well. I'm also modifying this pocket page. So this one's a little bit shorter. So we've got a little flip there and then a little flip there as well. And that little guy just tucks right inside the pocket page. And there you go. So that is the completed project. The project kit includes color step-by-step instructions. Also includes access to a 3+ hour live video class where I make the project together right along with you step by step. So let's take a look at the contents of the kit. A nice white doily. There is that 9-inch piece of crocheted cotton ribbon, a yard of sheer pink ribbon, and we're using that to tie our project closed, or our album closed, when we are done. You have the 6x12 foam stickers from Simple Stories, so from the Life in Bloom collection, and I just always love. I love so much their foam stickers. They're such a great addition to any project, especially with the added dimension. So that packet has 408 stickers. Then we have the Life in Bloom ephemera pieces. So really fun ephemera pieces, some quite a bit larger to work into that project. So I used a number of these in different interactive elements, but look at the size of that. That is like almost the size of my palm. So very nice sized pieces there in that ephemera pack. So your ephemera pieces are generally a little bit larger than the typical die cut bits and pieces that Simple Stories does. And then you have the full Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection kit. So 12 papers along with the 12x12 cardstock sticker sheet. So there we have that cardstock 12x12 sticker sheet. And then the 12 papers. So beautiful colors, beautiful palette. I really just love how this is just a really nice kind of broad range color palette because you have the purple, you have the blue, you have the pink, you have the yellow, you have the green. So it pretty much covers everything. And then you have nice pops of black throughout, which really in some cases just really helps to balance out all of that beautiful color. It kind of helps to ground it a little bit. I think that's one of my favorite papers in the collection. So all 12 papers plus the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet that are in that collection kit. You have the tags, the cut apart tags, the cut apart journal elements, the cut apart 3x4 cards, the cut apart 4x4 and 2x2 cards, and then you have the cut apart 4x6 cards. Then I have also included the full Simple Vintage Basics kit. So these would be the 6 kind of solids that coordinate with the collection. So you have 2 sheets each. So you have 2 of the pink/green. You have 2 of the purple/mint. And you have 2 of the teal/yellow, and they go with the collection and the project perfectly because they are part of the collection. Okay, friends, so that is the Happy Day mini book project kit that is currently shipping now in November of 2023. I have included a link in the description box of the video down below to purchase the project kit. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment on the video here, or go to laelbymail.com and click contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.